and we will select this cell again and copy to the rest of the cells down there so that we'll have the information. So as you can see there, each cell has already been identified as either passed or failed. Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my channel, and this is Tutor right here, and today we will learn another new set of tutorial from the Microsoft Office Excel. So as you can see on the screen right now, we have here this learner's information for the learner permanent record for junior high school. So this is the SF10 for the JHS or the junior high school, which was formerly known as the Form 137. So this will be the template that we'll be using in this tutorial. So as what you can see here, we have the column for remarks right beside the final rating that we have right here. So later in the future videos, we will be developing an interactive form like this. But first, we will learn this if function. Okay, so we'll be learning a lot more other functions in developing this SF10 to be interactive, because that includes VLOOKUP function that we already have made a tutorial in the previous videos. We also have there the isBlank. Okay, so the isBlank function. We also have there the round. We also had made a tutorial about this round function. We also have this count A. So we have count A function, and we will be having a separate tutorial for this set of functions, so that once we master these functions, then we are able to work on with this what we call the interactive SF10. Alright, so we need to learn these other functions separately so that we will be able to master them, and we will combine all these methods that we can generate an interactive SF10 form that we have together with our database right here. So we have quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4, so that it will be automatically applied here on the system. Okay, so at this point in time, what we're going to do is we will learn the if function. So the if function checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and the other value if false. So we will use this function at this time. So under the remarks, we have there the pass or failed. So we will select this one, our logical test. So if the grade is greater than or equal to 75, then that is what we call passed. So right after entering this set of information from this cell, if the criteria is met, if greater than or equal to 75, then we will label it as passed. If not, otherwise, then that is failed. Okay, so just press enter, and we will select this cell again and copy to the rest of the cells down there so that we'll have the information. So as you can see there, each cell has already been identified as either passed or failed. So if we will try to remove the information here, then automatically it is considered as failed because that's below 75, it's 0. But if we will put it back, then it will automatically label it if it has met the certain criteria. Okay, so that's it for the if function for today. Thanks for watching, and if you find this tutorial very helpful enough, don't forget to share, and thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.